Namaste. A metal needle or paper clip has higher density than that of water. So when it is dropped into water, it falls down into the bottom of water. However, if we put it horizontally on the water with a lot of caution, it can float almost forever due to the surface tension of water. Today we are going to see such an experiment to make a needle float in water. How to make a needle float on water? First, take a bowl of water. Put the needle on the surface. See what happens. The needle sinks. Now see, the needle once again is placed on the surface of the water. It sinks. Now take a trace paper, cut it in a square shape, slightly bigger than the size of the needle. Now take the same bowl of water. The trace paper is here. Place the needle over the trace paper and drop it gently over the surface of water. See how it is done? Now gently press on the edges of the paper so that the paper starts absorbing the water. Now see what happens. The paper sinks. See here, the water is absorbed by the paper and the paper slowly goes down. Now the paper sinks and the needle starts floating. The reason behind this experiment is surface tension. Surface tension is the tendency of the liquid surfaces to shrink into the minimum surface area possible. Surface tension is that which allows the objects of heavier size than water, that is, denser than water, objects such as razor blades, insects, to float and slide on the water surface without becoming even partially submerged. The cohesive forces between liquid molecules are responsible for the phenomenon of surface tension. The stronger cohesion between the water molecules as opposed to the attraction of the water molecules to the air makes it more difficult to move an object through the surface than to move it when it is completely submerged. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl.